Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of all USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And if you're a part of our free Telegram community, then you must already know that the trading opportunities are fairly limited. Okay, already I have loaded into the community as well. So my dear friends, what is the reason? The reason is Fed interest rate decision. And before a major event like Fed interest rate, okay, usually we see silence in the market. It's like silence before the storm. And moreover, market was extremely volatile yesterday. Okay. And this is how volatility works. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So the silence or the low volatility that we see on the market right now, okay, it's because okay, yesterday the market was very much volatile, and also the interest rate decision of the Fed. One more thing I would like to add here is that okay, in the US session, okay, the indices like US 30 and NAS will have some good impact. Okay, they will be volatile because okay, many companies are declaring their results. So US session, okay, may be volatile, but right now the market is silent. So the market faced resistance around 3983, 3984 area. So the next resistance where we can look for a sell position is around 4011, 4013. Here we can look for a sell position. Okay, so not this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, this one, the line at the top, the yellow line at the top. Okay, may give us a selling opportunity of 80 to 100 pips. Why? Because of FIBO 50% retracement level. No other reason. Because if we draw FIBO, we can see FIBO 38.2 has worked nicely. So we are expecting, okay, we are expecting the next FIBO level, okay, which is around 401213, okay, to work as well before the US session. Okay, after US session or during a high volatile market, this will not work. But right now the volume is low, so we can expect this to work or as a day trader to give us an opportunity. The second opportunity, okay, where we can look for a buy, okay, the opposite is around 3920. So 3920 because market has taken support around this area previously. So around 3920, 3915 as a day trader, we can look for a buy position if market comes down. So this is a sell position, okay, around 401213, and here we have a buy opportunity. And right now in this present location, okay, I will not suggest you any opportunity or anything here. If you want to take any trade from your own strategy, it's your call. But I personally feel that okay, yesterday market gave us some good profit, so today it's best to okay let the market settle. And especially okay, if market is asking for waiting for direction, then we should give it. After the Fed news, okay, if market takes a direction, then obviously you can follow the trend of the market. But as of now, market is resting, so let the market rest. Okay, when market will come to our level, then only try to enter. And at the bottom, okay, around 38, the low made by the market around 3892, 3888, we can look for some support, but chances of market coming to this level before the before US session is very less. So as long as market is trading like this, okay, we do not have a clarity, and it's okay better to okay, not trade at all. And for the upside to continue, we need goal above 4020. Yes, for the upside to continue, we need goal above 4020. After the Fed interest rate decision, if you see market breaking the yellow line here, means market going below sorry, not levels are changing so far. Okay, after the Fed, okay, news, if market breaks 3886, then we can look for a sell below it as well. But as of now, market is resting, let it rest. And nothing much to discuss right now. Okay, okay. Hopefully, okay, we will see some more clarity after the Fed interest rate decision, and market may be volatile. Okay, because of the dollar index, because dollar index will have impact because of the results from the US big companies. Okay, during the US session. So let's wait and watch. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.